What if I told you there's a way to make money online that is so lazy you could practically set it up and let it run itself? That sounds too good to be true, right? Stick around because I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do this step by step. And no, it's not surveys or other side gigs that make you work endlessly for scraps. This is about smart work, not hard work. What's up, y'all? I'm Markus Naves, and when I started my online journey, I was so desperate. Picture this. I just lost my job 2 weeks after my youngest son was born. My wife was paying all of our bills, and I barely had time to breathe between job hunting and trying to make ends meet. Then I came across all these so-called lazy money methods online. Fill out surveys, do small tasks, freelance, e-commerce, drop shipping. It was just so much out there. Sure, I made a little cash, but the moment I stopped working, the money stopped too. That's when I realized there has to be a smarter way. A way to set something up that could pay me for years, even if I wasn't actively working on it every day. And guess what? I found it. To truly be considered lazy, this method had to meet 4 specific criteria. Number 1, no need to show your face or become a social media influencer. Number 2, no creating or managing your own product or course. Number 3, low upfront costs, no buying ads or having inventory. Number 4, long-term potential, you do the work once and it keeps paying you. So what's the answer? Partnering with high payout products and leveraging powerful traffic sources. But trust me, it's not. Let me break it down for you. Step number 1, choose your niche. Start with something that's simple. What are you already interested in? Take out a notepad or open up a Google Doc. What are your hobbies? Topics you love reading about? Your guilty pleasures? Is it sports? Is it animals? Like, what do you like to do? I want you to write down 20 things. Now, cross-reference your list with what's already popular and profitable online. You'll start to see some overlaps, things you're passionate about that people are willing to spend money on. Step number 2, partner with high payout products. Next, you want to find a product that's already created and ready to sell. Platforms like ClickBank and Digistore24 let you promote products for a commission, sometimes as high as 50%. For example, let's just say you choose a product priced at $500 with a 50% commission. That's $250 in your pocket for just one sale. One sale a day could mean over $7,000 a month. Step number 3, create lazy traffic. Here's where the magic really happens. Driving traffic to your affiliate links. But don't worry, you won't be glued to your screen. I want you to go to YouTube and find popular channels in your niche. Next, I want you to check their top performing videos by selecting popular. Write down their top 10 most viewed videos to get inspired. Next, I want you to write scripts based on these ideas, but in your own words, adding your own unique spin. Now, create slideshows with free tools like Google Slides. Add visuals from sites like Pixabay and Pexels, and record your screen using StreamYard. Don't like recording your voice? 11 Labs has you covered with AI voiceovers, or you can hire someone on Fiverr for a few bucks. So why does this work? You're going to be building a library of content that works for you 24/7. Even videos you upload today could make money years from now. I've personally seen videos I've made back in 2021 that is still generating me passive income. That's the beauty of the lazy method. Here are 3 bonus tips so you can scale your business a lot faster. Tip number 1, recurring revenue. You want to promote products with subscription plans like software tools so you can earn monthly recurring commissions. Tip number 2 is all about automation tools. Use platforms like Animaker or VidScribe to create simple yet engaging videos. Tip number 3, Delegate. Once you start earning, reinvest into outsourcing. Hire script writers, editors, and designers to do all of the heavy lifting for you. This method isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. Imagine planting seeds today and watching them grow into a passive income stream for years to come. If you're ready to take action, hit that subscribe button and check out my next video where I share 12 passive income sources that generate $25,000 a month. I'll see you guys there.